sir, these are the patrol cars of Davao Oriental. Can you choose one, sir? Oh, bigla namatay ang signal ng Zoom. Buffer. Open Zoom ang AnyDesk. Yan, open. Sige, sir. Can you choose one patrol car, sir? Lahat ng mga patrol car niyan, sir. So, any patrol car in particular that you want to call? Natatawagan natin dito, sir, yan. Yes, sir. Saan, sir, ang tawagan natin? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, namamatay. Bumabagsak ang signal ng Oriental. Nagda-drop. Buffer, open Zoom signal. For the moment, we can also go to Occidental Power. Sige. Occidental Power. Oh, nag-brown out.
Power now. Good morning, sir.
So we transfer sa Occidental, sir. Biglang nag-brown out ang Oriental.